Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. With all the recent rain that we've been getting, something you need to be on the lookout for, especially if you have an underground drainage system, is your drain covers, like this right here. So with a lot of rain, steady rain, you'll get all this debris that'll cover the top of it. Well, what'll end up happening is it'll clog it, and it will either reduce the flow that the drain can take, or in some cases it'll outright block it. So an option is, if you don't have a big drainage problem, or if you don't have a big debris problem, just periodically coming out here, just being mindful, knocking it away, cleaning it off is good enough. If you've got an issue where you've got a lot of trees and a lot of leaves, another option might be they make drain covers. I'll show you a picture that replace these square flat ones, and they've got a little dome. And what that does is that now the water, or now that the debris has to pile up and completely cover this dome that's about 2 or 3 inches tall before the water flow gets completely restricted. So that's an option. You could also consider, in an extreme case, maybe building some sort of barricade around the drain, and then leave little grooves in the actual barricade that'll allow water to go through, but not the bigger debris. So there's several different options. Something else, not just your drains, but your gutters as well. Make sure you're keeping your gutters clean. There's just a service here in town. If you don't feel comfortable getting on your roof or getting on a ladder, you can call LA Rain Pro. They've got a complete gutter cleaning system. So anyway, several options, just need to be aware of it. All these things are put into place for a reason, to help with your excess water issues. So let's just make sure that they stay working properly. If you got any questions, let us know. Y'all have a good day.